friends, welcome to Chemistry Champs. In this video we are learning transition state theory or activated complex theory. So according to this theory, the reaction rate of a reaction is the number of activated complex passes through per second over the potential barrier. And there are some postulates of this theory. So first postulate is the reacting molecule approaches each other and there continuous change in their bond length. And the second postulate is the reacting molecule converted into intermediate, and these are called activated complex or transition state. And the third postulate is the activated complex may be formed by the loss of association or bonding of a reactant molecule with the necessary rearrangement of valence bond or the energy. And the fourth postulate is if this reaction is a unimolecular reaction, so they can be converted into reactivated complex due to the rearrangement of atoms in the molecule. And the fifth postulate is the activated complex is unstable. So due to this property, the activated complex remain in the equilibrium with reactant and its potential energy is maximum and they can be decomposed into products. And sixth postulate is activation energy is the energy of a reaction which is additional energy which required to the reacting molecule to convert it into activated complex. Now we derive, so for a reaction, and we see that, so this is their reactant are present and so from there and their product are formed, and this is called transition state or activated complex, and at which this is called activation energy of reactant, because this is the energy which require reactant to form complex, activated complex or transition state, and this is the energy that is E2. This is the activation energy for the product, and in this is known as delta E. Now consider a reaction for they form through transition state. So A plus B, they form C star and they form product, and this symbol is used for transition state. So this, and in this is equals to K, rate is equals to K divided by A and B. Now it can also be written as C divided by NA into NB is equals to K. Now these terms going to there, so the equation will become is C star is equals to, and this term going to there, so K into Na into Nb, and from the rate of reaction this can be written as dx by dt is directly proportional to C star, because in this the rate of reaction depend on the transition state, and when we remove this proportional sign, so there will be a constant present, so dx by dt is equals to mc star, and the value of m is RT divided by N naught H, and N naught is Avogadro number, and the value of Avogadro number is 6.023 into 10 to power 23, and R is gas constant, and T is absolute temperature, and H is Planck constant. Now according to the rate of reaction, this can also be written as dx by dt is equals to K into Na into Nb. So this is our equation number 1, and this is 2, and this is 3, and this is 4. So from equation number 3 and 4, they can be written as equal. So the equation will become MC star is equals to Kna into Nb. Now we find the value of K. So K is equals to MC star divided by Na into Nb. Now this value can be written as, so C star divided by Na into Nb is equals to K star. So put here, so K is equals to M into K star. Now this is our equation number 5. Now from the Gibbs Hamiltonian equation, so the equation is delta G is equals to delta H minus T delta S. And for the transition state theory, this can be written as delta G star is equals to delta H star minus T delta S star. And from the Von Hoff equation, the value of delta G is equals to minus RT ln K. And for the transition state theory, this can be written as minus RT ln K star. So put the value of delta G star here. So minus RT ln K star is equals to delta H star minus T delta S star. Now taking common minus, so minus RT ln K star is equals to minus common, so there is minus delta H star minus plus T delta S star. Now minus will be cancel out, so the equation will become RT ln K is equals to T delta S minus delta H and star. Now these term going to there, so ln K is equals to T delta S minus delta H star. Now RT divided by RT. Now we can separate this or rearrange this equation. So the equation will become ln K star is equals to T delta S star divided by RT minus delta H star divided by RT. So this T will be cancel out, and ln K is equals to delta S star divided by R minus delta H divided by RT. And when we write this equation in terms of exponent, so the equation will become K star is equals to e raised to the power delta S star divided by R minus into में e raised to the power minus H star divided by RT. Now this is the value of K star, and put this value of K star in equation number 5, and our equation number 5 is K is equals to M into K star. So put the value of K star. So the equation will become K is equals to M into e raised to the power minus delta S star divided by R into e raised to the power minus delta H star by RT. And now put the value of M, and the value of M is equals to RT divided by N naught H. So the equation will become K is equals to RT divided by N naught H into e raised to the power minus delta S star by R into e raised to the power minus delta H star divided by RT. So this is the equation for transition state theory or the activated complex theory. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. Hit the like button, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.